So it's been 4 months that I've been riding a motorcycle, and these are some of the things that used to give me a lot of anxiety and not much anymore. Getting out of a parking lot used to give me so much anxiety. Getting hit by bugs that died in my face gave me anxiety, like that one that I'm trying to get out of my helmet. Randomly stopping to look at my phone. Potholes are just a common thing now, I just get used to it. Lane splitting gives me anxiety, but now it's just overall fun. I can't tell when certain cars don't like it when I lane split, like this truck next to me. And oh my god, I had to wear eye contacts compared to my glasses because they would hurt me. And wearing eyelash extensions above that made it more difficult for me. But overall, it's been a great experience.